Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryers, the Ninja Air Fryer and the Chefman Air Fryer. We'll be evaluating them on different categories to help you choose the best one for your cooking needs. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more. Both air fryers excel in this category. The Ninja Air Fryer can fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, while the Chefman Air Fryer can achieve perfect fried results with little or even no oil. Both allow you to cook at your desired temperature, achieving a healthy, crispy fried finish. So it's a tie. When it comes to price, the Chefman Air Fryer is the winner. It is priced at $39, while the Ninja Air Fryer is priced at $89. So if you're on a budget, the Chefman Air Fryer might be the better option for you. The Chefman Air Fryer wins in terms of size because of its personal size, which makes it perfect for any small kitchen. While both air fryers have manual temperature control and 60-minute integrated timer, the Chefman Air Fryer is slightly more versatile because it even allows you to reheat yesterday's dessert. Both air fryers are easy to clean, but the Chefman Air Fryer is a bit easier because its basket and tray are top-rack dishwasher safe. In terms of safety, both are CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and the Chefman Air Fryer has an additional cool touch exterior and auto shutoff feature. And that's our comparison of the Ninja Air Fryer and the Chefman Air Fryer. Both air fryers have their pros and cons, but ultimately the best one for you depends on your specific needs. Don't forget to tell us which one you prefer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons like this. Thanks for watching.